Coming up next is the NCAA National Championship on Plotagon Network. The NCAA National Championship is coming up after these commercials.
Perfect.
Who's ready to tailgate? Yeah!
You know, they say the pregame is almost as important as the game. I gotta agree. You guys have your football practice. That's for you. But this
This is how we get ready.
You got meat smoking back there, Dr. Pepper. You got cornhole happening here. It's all in the preparation, which I like to call the pepperation. Hey, Vince, thanks for coming to my tailgate, man.
Is this your tailgate?
Yeah.
Tailgate!
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
Look, those were last year's numbers. It says right here on the card, T-Mobile doubled their LTE coverage in the last year. And with more LTE towers than Verizon, T-Mobile reaches pretty much everyone they do. I'm not taking responsibility on this one. Verizon got it wrong. Yes, not me.
Join the millions that switched.
And squish, and squish. Okay, good. Keep squishing, fingers relaxed. And squish. Great. Thank you. Good job.
Squish the rainbow. Taste the rainbow.
The simple joy of temptation. And now with 20 crispy chicken McNuggets at McDonald's for just $4.99, everyone can get in on the action.
That is the end of the commercials. You can watch now.